Good afternoon, little kids. Good afternoon to everyone. Okay, see, your Indira ma'am is back with a new topic. See, as you can see on my boards, we are back with the new topics. Okay, so you can use EVS book for this topic. Okay, now let me, before starting my topic, let me ask you one thing. Yes, let me ask you one thing. I'll show you the few pictures. You have to identify what is that pictures. Okay, what is that? I'm going to show you the pictures. You have to identify their names. Okay, so let's start. Okay, what is this? This is car. What is this? This is car. And what is this? This is bicycle. What is this? This is bicycle. What is this? This is aeroplane. What is this? This is aeroplane. And what is this? This is helicopter. See, in this way you have to identify the pictures from book also. Okay, please try to use all the book for book reading, which is very important. See, writing, coloring, matching is one kind of worksheet for you, but book reading is also very important. Okay, so you need to take some book like EVS book, Hindi book, EVS book. Take out any book and try to identify all the pictures. If you don't know what is that, you can ask to your mama, can you please help me? What is this? Which picture is this? You have to ask to your mama and utilize all the book for book reading. Okay, now let's come to the point. Today your ma'am is back with a new topic. We are going to learn about the transport. Okay, do you know what do you mean by transport? I'm going to teach you. I'm going to help you. What do you mean by transport? So now today we are going to learn which subject is this? This is EVS subject. EVS subject. Which subject is this? This is EVS subject. Okay, which subject? EVS. Okay, we are going to study EVS subject. Okay, see, whenever you are studying, you need to use props. You need to use books for pictures. Whenever you will study with the help of the picture, you will learn everything very quickly. So always use pictures. Okay, so let's start it. See, transport. Do you know what do you mean by transport? See, we have learned about vegetable, we have learned about fruits, but today we are going to learn about transport. Before starting about my transport, let's do one worksheet. Let's do one activity. Okay, see, transport. Transport means the one which we migrate from one place to another. When you want to go somewhere, we need car. If you want to go your mama's home, if you want to go your uncle home, we cannot go by walking. We need car, we need aeroplane, we need bus, we need auto. That is called migration from one place to another. If you want to to go your Nani house. How you'll go? You'll go by walking? No. You will go by car. You will go by aeroplane. Okay, that is called transport. We have so many transport. So today we are going to learn transport. Okay, see, what is this? This is car. What is this? This is aeroplane. And what is this? This is cycle. See, we are having aeroplane, cycle and car, right? See, in middle, what is there? Car. What is there in middle? Car. What is there in middle? Car. See, you have to see the picture of car which is in center, okay? Now you have to identify where is the car. One more car. This is car. This is car. This is car. Yes. See, in middle, in the center, what is this? This is car. So now you have to identify where is the car. This is the car. This is car. This is car. Same. Yes. Then you need to tick. Okay. You need to tick. Car. 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 This all are transport. This all are transport. See, what is this? This is aeroplane. What is this? This is aeroplane. Aeroplane. See, what is this? This is aeroplane. What is this? This is aeroplane. See, you have to identify the pictures. Okay. See, when I am repeating, you have to repeat after me. What is this? Aeroplane. What is this? Aeroplane. What is this? Aeroplane. Aeroplane is transport. Aeroplane is transport. What is this? Aeroplane. What is this? Aeroplane. Now what is this? What is this? This is car. What is this? This is car. What is this? This is car. Car is also transport. Okay. Now next come. What is this? This is bus. What is this? This is bus. What is this? This is bus. You have your school bus, right? Bus is also transport. Bus is also transport. Okay. Now what is this? This is ship. What is this? This is ship. Repeat after me. You have to identify the pictures. What is this? This is ship. What is this? This is ship. What is this? This is ship. Okay. This is C piece also of transport. Okay. So this all are transport. What is this all? This all are transport. See. Now see. What is this? This is. What is this? This is aeroplane. Repeat after me. What is this? This is aeroplane. And do you know where does aeroplane fly? Aeroplane run in road? No, ma'am. Aeroplane fly in sky. Aeroplane fly in sky. See, your mama can ask you the question. Okay, see, you have to see the pictures. What is this? This is aeroplane. What is this? This is aeroplane. What is this? This is aeroplane. And where does aeroplane fly? Mama can ask you the question. Where does aeroplane fly? Sky. Where does aeroplane fly? Sky. See, one word answer you can say. Okay, and dear parents, please ask them also, where does aeroplane fly? They will answer one word, sky. Okay, so what is this? This is aeroplane. See the pictures properly. You have to identify the pictures. Your ma'am will show you so many transport pictures, but you have to identify the pictures. Okay, see, I have so many pictures. See, these all are transport, right? But they have a different name. These all are transport, but they have a different name, right? And they travel in a different place. Okay, see. What is this? This is aeroplane. And where does aeroplane fly? Sky. Where does aeroplane fly? Sky. You have to do like this, okay? Sky. And next, what is this? Bus. What is this? School bus. Do you have school bus? Right? You are coming school by school bus, right? So what is this? This is school bus. What is this? This is school bus. And do you know where does this bus run? Bus run in the sky? No, man. Where does bus run? Road. Where does bus run? Road. This bus fly in the sky? No. See, this aeroplane fly in sky, and this bus run in road. Bus run in road. Okay, what is this? This is bus. What is this? This is bus. School bus. Okay. And next come. What is this? This is car. What is this? This is car. What is this? This is car. And do you know where does car run? Car also run in water? Car run in water? No, ma'am. Where does car run? Car fly in sky? No, ma'am. Where does car run? Road. Where does car run? Road. See, you have to ask to your children, where does car run? They will answer road. Where does aeroplane fly? Sky. Where does aeroplane fly? Sky. Where does car run? Road. Where does bus run? Road. Now next, what is this? This is ship. What is this? This is ship. What is this? This is ship. And where does ship run? Ship run in sky? Ship fly in sky? No, ma'am. Ship run in road? No, ma'am. Where does ship run? Where does ship run in? Water. Where does ship run? Ship run in water. See, you have to identify the pictures. What is this? what is this? This is car. What is this? This is car. And what is this? This is bus. What is this? This is bus. And what is this? This is aeroplane. See, today we have learned 4 different transport, right? We have learned 4 different transport. See, this is ship. Ship run in water. What is this? Ship. What is this? Ship. Ship run in water. See, do with action. Water. Ship run in water. Now, what is this? This is car. What is this? This is car. What is this? This is car. And do you know where does car run? Car fly in sky? No, ma'am. Where does car run? Road. Where does car run? Road. Where does car run? Road. And what is this? This is bus. What is this? This is bus. And where does bus run? Road. Where does bus run? Road. Where does bus run? Road. And what is this? This is aeroplane. What is this? This is aeroplane. And where does aeroplane run? Aeroplane fly in sky. Aeroplane fly in sky. Dear parents, please ask them question. See, if you are showing them the picture of transport, let them know where does it run. Let them know. See, if you are showing them the pictures, let them ask question also. If you are showing them aeroplane, let them ask, where does aeroplane run? Where does aeroplane fly? Sky. This is aeroplane. But where does aeroplane fly? Aeroplane run in road? No. Where does aeroplane fly? Sky. Let them ask question by showing the pictures. What is this? This is bus. What is this? This is bus. And do you know where does bus run? Road. Where does bus run? Road. And what is this? This is car. What is this? This is car. And where does car run? Road. Where does car run? Road. What is this? This is ship. And where does ship run? Water. Let them do with action. Water. So, dear student, please do revise this 4. Okay? Aeroplane, bus, car and ship. You need to revise and you need to answer the question of your mama also. Mama will ask you, where does aeroplane run? You have to say sky. Where does aeroplane fly? Sky. Where does bus run? water. Please use EVS book and try to study from there. You can see in EVS book about transport, and you can see the pictures also, and let's identify different pictures of transport. Okay, so now coming to the next point. See, in my previous video you have learned about vegetable, right? So today I am giving you on short and sweet worksheet. You don't have to do nothing, just need to identify, color it. Just you need to identify difference between vegetable and fruits, and you need to color it. Okay, see, fruit is red color, vegetable is green color. Okay, fruit is which color? Red color, and vegetable is green color. See, what is this? This is fruits or vegetable? This is fruits or vegetable? This is fruits. This is fruits. What is this? This is fruit. So you will put which color? Red color. Fruit means you will put red color. So here you will put R-E-D, red color. Okay, you will put red color here. Okay, this is apple. A-P-P-L-E, apple. Apple is a fruits. So fruit is which color? Red. See, you have to see that upper one also. Okay, see, fruit means you have to put red color. Vegetable means you have to put green color. Okay, so lady finger, L-A-D-Y, lady, F-I-N-G-E-R, finger. This is lady finger. So lady finger is fruits or vegetable? Lady finger is fruits or vegetable? Lady finger is vegetable. So you will put which color? Green color. Here you will put green color. You will put green color. Lady finger means you will put green color because lady finger is a vegetable. So you will put vegetable. You will put green color. So lady finger is vegetable. So you will put green color. Okay. The next come O-N-I-O-N-I-O-N. Onion. Onion is fruits or vegetable? Vegetable. Onion is vegetable. So you will put which color? Vegetable means which color? Green. So you will put here G-R-E-E-N, green color. You will put here green color. Okay. And what is this? M-A-N-G-O, mango. Mango. What is mango? Mango is vegetable or fruits? Mango is vegetable or fruits? Mango is fruits. So which color? R-E-D, red. So here you will put which color? R-E-D, red. See, apple and mango you will be putting which color? Red color, because apple and mango is fruit. So you will put red color. Okay. Vegetable. Lady finger, onion. Lady finger and onion is vegetable. Vegetable. So you will put which color? G-R-E-E and green color. So onion and lady finger you will put green color. This is one kind of worksheet for you. Okay. Till then, bye bye. Take care of yourself and try to study nicely. Okay. And see, we are really happy to see all the parents are sending very attractive notebook. They are maintaining notebooks very nicely, which I am really liking it. So thank you to all the parents for maintaining and decorating your notebooks very wonderful and beautiful. We are loving the whatever like you have see. That's why I am telling you, whenever you are teaching to your kids, always make your notebooks very attractive so that your kids will love to open the notebooks. We need to maintain notebook with colorfuls, with pictures. That's why I'm making lots of pictures and colorful for your kids. So thank yous to all the parents for sending us such a nice videos and nice worksheets. So till then, take care, and please children, don't forget to drink milk every day. Okay, till then, take care. Bye bye. Love you all.